Good morning, Johnnita. Shannon Coward again here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired through the internet on the Genesis G90. We're going to give you a brief overview of it. This is the Manhattan Brown, but before we do that, I want to go into a few warranties on this automobile. You'll have the 10-year 100,000 mile on the powertrain. Tameron adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. This vehicle also comes with its own valet service. So when you get ready for service, we'll bring you a car, take this car, and give you one to swap out for you to utilize. It also comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile service contract. Now, let's get right to it. When you come down the car, you're going to notice the beautiful wraparound headlights. Come on further down, this has got sporty alloy wheels. When you come through the back, this is a true luxury automobile with the Napa leather interior. Controls in the back on the steering wheel, your radio controls, Bluetooth. The buttons here actually toggle through the back display. You've got cruise control, smart cruise control. You've got the big 12.1 HD screen with the 360 backup camera. You can see all the way around the car. There's so many amenities in this vehicle that truly we have to sit down, take our time, and go over it. My name's Shannon Coward. I'm your personal Genesis associate assigned just to you. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or my personal cell, 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you.